Celebrated name Freddie Mercury. Real name Freddie Mercury. Age at the time of death 45 years old. Birth date 5 September 1946. Date of death 24 November 1991. Birthplace Stone Town, Tanzania. Nationality British. Height 1.77 meters. Weight 75 kilograms. Marital status single. Profession British singer, songwriter, record producer, and lead vocalist. Net worth $50 million. Freddie Mercury was one of the most famous British musicians who also wrote many songs and was a singer. He was popular because of his association with the Queens, which was that rock band, and he has served as their lead vocalist and a lyricist. He was also the pianist of that rock group. With an amazing vocal range of the 4 octave, he has won million hearts for his outstanding stage persona. Freddie Mercury has also performed as a solo singer besides working with the Queens, and sometimes he has also served as the guest musician and the producer for many other artists. Early life. The famous musician was born on the island of Tanzania and present in Zanzibar. His parents were Jer Bulsara and Bomi. He was sent to a private school in the year 1955 in India till the year 1963. He pursued his education at the Ealing College of Arts. From there only he has graduated in the year 1969. He has spent the maximum time of his early life in India, and that was the time when he started taking the piano classes, and at that time he was only 7. He was an art lover, and hence he was also a part of a band named Smile. When he was in college, he had many friends who were musicians, and in 1969 he also joined a group named Ibex, in which he was the lead singer. Career. Freddie Mercury's career began when Stefan left the band in the year 1971, and Mercury took place of a new singer in that band. And after that he changed the name of the band to Queens. The first album of the band Queen was released in the year 1973, but this band got their first real breakthrough with Killer Queen from the album Sheer Heart Attack in the year 1974. The popularity of Queen's band continued from the 70s to the early 80s. In the year 1985, Mercury released his solo album, which was mostly into dance than the rock oriented, and it was the Mr. Bad Guy. Many people consider it to be a flop, but actually it wasn't. It was played in the UK playlist and was at the number 6 and was played for nearly 23 weeks. He has also done the famous Magic Tour, which was actually a world tour. Net worth. According to Forbes, he has earned $5 million. He had a mansion which was of $34 million situated in West London. After his death, it belonged to his partner Mary Austin. He has also left an amount of $15 million for her. He left an amount of $170,000 for his driver named Terry Giddings. Death. During the year 1986, in October, Mercury blood tested himself and found that he was suffering from a fatal condition and he had HIV or AIDS. He died at the age of 45 years old. A report stated that he died because of bronchial pneumonia, which occurred due to AIDS. His astounding voice will still be alive among his followers.